everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL. Today's video is a double unboxing. We've got the September Belle Blossom of the month, and we also have the September BOXYCHARM. I know, it's October. Surprise, surprise, I'm behind. But yeah, I'm just putting them together in this one video for you all so that we can just get up to speed with everything going on. So I hope you don't mind a double video, like a double unboxing video. Let me know also down below, do you prefer a double unboxing video? I will start doing them together if you like this method better. If you like them separate, that's totally fine. If you're new to my channel, hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Glad to have you here. If you like unboxing videos, this is the place to be. So be sure to click the subscribe button down below and the little bell notification so that you always know when I upload. So we are going to be starting with the Belle Blossom Blossom of the Month Club first, and then we will be moving on to BOXYCHARM that will complete this makeup look for us today. So let's get started. All right guys, so it is time for the September Belle Blossom of the month. I have the box opened, but I have not looked at it yet, so I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Let's jump into it. Here we are. Hopefully it's going to match what I'm wearing. Sometimes I try to go a little bit neutral with my outfits when we're unboxing a Blossom to hopefully, so that'll hopefully match whatever I'm wearing. But as I'm opening it, it's as usual. You guys, look at how cute this is. So pretty. So let's see what it says on the back. It says, "Hello September. Thanks for the reminder that change is beautiful." I know it's October already. I'm sorry, you guys. But this is just a gorgeous, fun step into fall. Look at just all of the detail of this flower, this blossom, hair blossom. It's so beautiful. So let's kind of throw this guy on and let's talk about Belle Blossom a little bit. In case this is the first time you are visiting my channel and you're not sure what a Blossom of the Month Club, I have so much hair up. There is nothing for this to grab onto. But Blossom of the Month is a really fun, seasonally appropriate hair flower blossom. It is a surprise, so you never know what you are going to get. Let's just kind of stick it up here on the top like a hat topper. They range, it starts at about, I think, $18 for US and then goes up. I will have a link down below, but these are all handmade, and if you ever miss out on one, you can always contact Belle Blossom and say, hey, I missed out on getting such and such month blossom. Can you remake it for me? And she will do her best to kind of recreate with the supplies that she has, a beautiful blossom that is similar. She also has quite a few hand, pre-made blossoms that you can also choose, and she does commissions. So I just can't get over it. I did not do my hair properly for this, and I apologize for that, but yeah, it is a gorgeous blossom. I love it. Yeah, I can't get over how cute it is. It's so adorable. I love it. She did a great job on this. So this is definitely how I would personally wear it. It's just kind of like this. But yeah, so cute. So good job on the September Blossom. And are you guys ready for BOXYCHARM? Because some of this look is included in the box that I got. So I'm very excited to share that with you. And without further ado, here it is. All right, so we are ready to get started unboxing our BOXYCHARM box. As you can see, I have no makeup on, which means the first item in our box that we're going to be talking about is a base primer. So this is the, let me find it, Georgette Klinger Marula primer. It says it blurs imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish, hydrating, long wearing. It cushions the skin with advanced hyaluronic acid. Silky smooth makeup, won't settle into fine lines, pores, dry areas. Has marula oil, vitamins A, E, F, and B, and it retails for $32. So this is supposed to be good for all skin types. So let's take a little look-see. First off, there's no real discernible scent to it. It doesn't really smell like anything. It is fragrance-free, cruelty-free, dye-free, paraben-free. So let's put this on the skin. Gonna have to separate things and see how it feels. It feels really nice, lightweight. It doesn't have like that silicone slip feeling to it, so I don't think that this is like a silicone or like heavily siliconed primer. So I am just going to do a little bit of color correcting and then put on kind of my regular day-to-day foundation, and then we'll be right back. So I'll take you through that really quick. Initial thoughts are, I didn't really notice it to be pore filling. I did kind of notice as I was applying product that I was definitely like, it was either like not going over my pores smoothly, but I just didn't really notice like any pore filling. It's not like I have any products settling in my pores. I just find this to be more of like almost like a lightweight moisturizer kind of feeling. But I'm going to come back with up to the next step in my makeup, and I'll kind of let you know how, as I layer things on, everything is looking. Okay, so we are back with more makeup on, pretty much full face. The last two items, we'll get to that in a minute, but I just wanted to kind of talk about a little bit my thoughts on this primer. I feel like my makeup looks the same as it does with the other products that I normally use. So this will definitely be something that I will have to continue to use to have a real opinion on it. But so far it looks fine. Hasn't been any issues with applying anything. But if you would like a full review on this, let me know. I'll continue using it, and then I'll do a dedicated video to it if I think it's really worth it. Next up is going to be a brow gel. I did fill in my brows a little bit. They're being real difficult with me today, but this is a clear brow gel. It is from St. Luxe. Looks like this. And it says, where is it? Bow down to your brows. This gel glides on effortlessly and leaves your brows looking fuller and giving them a perfect shape. The short brush will give you precise placement, and this retails for $22. So it kind of has like a short stubby brush on it, which I typically like these kind of shorter brushes anyway. This is a clear brow gel, so you're probably not going to be able to see a whole lot, but I'll kind of talk about it once it dries and let you know if I think if it's like one of those really like crunchy brow gels, or if it just kind of holds things nicely. I don't typically like brow gels that leave my brow hairs feeling crispy. I just kind of want it to hold in place. So we'll let that dry and get back to it. And then, oh, one thing that I forgot to use and show you guys, we actually got brushes in. These are from Elaina Badro, I think. Elaina Badro. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Is a 3-piece set. This is their Baby Blue set. So you get basically a contour, blend, and define brush. They are synthetic, they are travel friendly, they come in this cute little pouch for traveling, and this retails for $58. I was going to use these and I totally forgot. I am so sorry. If you're curious on my thoughts on these brushes, how they perform, I will do a little tutorial video with them and let you know. Our last makeup item is a lipstick. I did not look at the color, I don't think. So hopefully this is all going to work together really well. About to find out. This is the Realher, I think, moisturizing lipstick. It says, over time, encapsulated water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick provides all-day hydration with a creamy, smooth application. These retail for $18. I got the color I Define Beauty myself. It is a dusty pink, so this may work out all right. This is what the packaging looks like. There's going to be fingerprints and smudges, but I do love like one of those reflective ones. So this is a good color, just a nice neutral dusty pink. So let's put this on and see what we think. So this is the color on. I do really like the color. I feel like I have a couple other lipsticks that are similar to this shade. I can definitely see this not being a mask friendly formula. This would definitely smear under a mask. So if you're interested in trying this out, just know that if you're somewhere where you're wearing a mask, or you're required to wear a mask, that you're definitely going to want to put either a lot of powder over the top of it, or you're going to want to use a like long wear lip liner underneath to help give it some grip. But yeah, it feels really good. I really like the color, so I'm definitely stoked on this. I can see myself wearing this more often. So that is the last item, makeup item. We have one more item. It is a skincare item. I will say this is not a cruelty-free, as far as I know, brand, but I got the GlamGlow YouthMud glowing, stimulating, exfoliating treatment mask. This was their original formula that kind of made GlamGlow a household name. This retails for $60. This is going to go in my pile that will be donated to like a women's charity or a homeless shelter or something like that, just because it is not cruelty free. It's not something that I am going to keep around. So that is everything in the September BOXYCHARM box. What did you think? This was $25. I will add it up and put it down here what the value of the box is. I did not do that beforehand, but again, 4 out of 5 items were cruelty free, and so far I am really liking them. So yeah, it was definitely worth it. So let me know, like I said down below, if there are any individual reviews that you would like, either on the primer or the brushes. And I am so sorry if there is a ton of background noise, but it is just very busy and very loud with construction work going on in our neighborhood. So it's kind of all I can do to just try and film when it is not super loud. So that is it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a double unboxing video. Let me know down below what was your favorite item that you saw, either the Belle Blossom or something in this BOXYCHARM box. And that is it for me. I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.